Hello, my name is Dawn Takis and I'm the Streamlined Seamstress. Thank you so much for stopping by. I welcome you if you're new. And this channel is all about saving you time, money, and energy. I was a pattern maker and a seamstress all of my life. I owned a sewing factory. I've been on the industrial side of manufacturing, and there's so many things that you learn when you're on the industrial side that help you expedite and streamline your sewing. And that's what this channel is all about, is so that I can share those tips, tricks, and hacks with you. When COVID began, the first thing I did with the rest of the world is I started making masks. And then I realized there's that old cliche, give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man how to fish, feed him for a lifetime. And I realized at that moment, that was my moment to share with the world and help them and teach them how to streamline and expedite and sew like we did in the factory and make things in bulk and make things faster and better. And one of those videos became very popular, and it's about how to make pleats in 30 seconds. And I'm going to put that video up there for you to share. But this has all been a serendipitous accident. My intent when I made that video, and it's a really bad video because I was a really bad cameraman at the time, my intent was to share with the world. And my goal was, if I could help one person, then it was worth the time to make the video. And what's happened from that is that you, the viewer, have created this community for me. And it means so much to me. I cannot even begin to tell you how overwhelmed and astonished I was from the feedback and the emails and the IMs and all the messages and the comments that you leave and everyone asking questions, and how this created this community of brothers and sisters and the sewing brotherhood, sisterhood that we created here, and all with, you know, one world and a common thread and a common goal, and overcoming this crisis and getting through it together. And in the interim, I think many of you learned how to sew, and you're in the beginning stages and you want to learn how to take that to the next step, and I'm hoping that I can help you through that process. So if you're here for that reason, please be sure, check out my hack playlist. That's a great place to start. And then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see new videos when I post them. Ring the notification bell so it'll let you know whenever I post a new video. I do not post videos every week like some other channels do, but I promise you, when I post a video, it's a quality video and it has substance to it, and it's something of value that I want to share with you, and I'm not just posting a video for the sake of posting a video. And that being said, I want to leave you this one last thought. I thank you for stopping by. I thank you for your time. I thank you for watching this video. As my best friend Tuesday would say, there's nothing more important or more valuable that you can give me than your time. And in this case scenario, with all the different channels out there and all the different videos that you can watch, I thank you for your time. It means so much to me, and thank you for contributing and being a part of this community. That means the world to me. So until then, until our next video is up, I will want to tell you, just keep sewing, keep being creative, because it's good for the soul.